Whoa, what's up guys? It's me, Levi, back here with another video. Not really on an adventure today. If you could tell by the title of the video, this is something pretty special. And as you can see, I bought a new vehicle and this thing's pretty sick. And I've done some stuff to it and we're gonna go over it today, what I've done to this awesome vehicle of mine. This is a 2005 Toyota 4Runner. This is the limited edition V6. I chose a V6 because better gas mileage, and also these engines have a timing chain and the V8s have a timing belt. This is 4-wheel drive. It's got all the goodies, and this is the limited edition, so it has, you know, leather seats, sunroof, and the upgraded sound system. I guess we'll start by going through the whole vehicle because I've done some modifications to the inside of this to make it more suitable for what we're gonna do on this channel. All right, so I'll just walk around the vehicle so you get a better view of what it is. We got some fogged headlights. I gotta fix that because I don't like the look of it. The paint is not perfect. Obviously it's scratched and faded. The clear coat's fading on the roof as well, but I don't care about none of that. I'm just trying to get out here in the sticks, you know, see some cool stuff, camp. So this thing works perfectly. It has like 230,000 miles on it, which these engines can last up to 400, even more sometimes, which is crazy. But yeah, these engines are really reliable. That's why I really wanted one of these vehicles. Now for tires, I just have highway terrain tires. I bought it with these. I'm just gonna keep them for now because I don't need all-terrain tires. These things work fine for at least what I'm doing most of the time. The outside is fairly stock. I mean, there's not much modifications done to it except for the window seal covers for, you know, if it rains or you can crack your windows. I put some stickers and stuff on the back. So I guess we'll go ahead and open up the trunk here. So this is, oh, what the heck?
What's up guys?
Of course, Caden's here. Caden's inside. And as you can see, I did some stuff. I built some stuff. It was a pretty long process. A lot of hours went into it, and I am not Tim Taylor here from Home Improvement. I am not a wood craftsman or any sort of person like that. So this thing is just, you know, the best that I could do. I'll throw in some clips of the process that I went through. I didn't do a good job of documenting me building this whole thing out. Oh my gosh, yeah. Bro. All right, this is how we got it going right now. I mean, it's a pretty simple setup. You have 2 drawers, a folding platform, and I built this platform in a certain way that I got to keep the rear seats. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got this mattress on Amazon. It folds up, so when you fold the platform up, it also folds up. Put some carpet down on the wood as well. The drawers I think are really cool.
Let me give you a little tour of this mess. So we've cut out these kind of like boards that come on and off, right? So you can take them out, set them wherever you want. In here, Levi's got his pillows and all kinds of other stuff. It's just storage, but if you want to, you can always cook on this. We're gonna stain this so we can put stuff on it and of course, cook it up. On the other one, this one's my favorite, check it out. Slides out, we got a little cubby over here, put stuff.
I got my kitchen knives in there right now.
Yeah, he's got some kitchen knives. He got, slides out. We're gonna stain this. And he's of course got all the storage in here. I love it.
I'm not a chef either, but with this setup, I figured, you know what, everybody on YouTube's out here cooking when they're camping, so we're gonna try. But yeah, like he said, all this stuff is gonna be stained and finished to where it's not raw wood, especially the cutting board, because you don't want to put raw meat on raw wood and it gets bacteria embedded into the wood and all that crap.
So on this, we actually put, Levi put this down, some carpet.
Yeah, it was actually a pretty easy process. I've never upholstered anything, but like it actually turned out pretty good for my first time, and it didn't take me long at all. I bought like some outdoor carpet from Lowe's It was pretty cheap. It was really easy to cut, and I got some Gorilla spray glue and just sprayed it up on there, and it's really nice. But we're gonna show you how this mattress folds up, as well as how the whole sleeping platform folds up, which I think is awesome.
All right, guys, this is how it folds up. Check it out. So, a little handle, you pull it out, fold it, pull it out again. And it all kind of folds up into one big bunch.
This thing actually fits in the back. When I'm not camping, it'll fit back here. I don't have to take it out. If I'm leaving camp, I can fold this up. I don't have to take this out to have all the seats available, which I think is awesome. Now let's show you how the sleeping platform folds up. So to fold up the sleeping platform, you do have to take this out just for a minute. This whole design is not original. I did not make this up. I copied it from other people on YouTube. So you see these wooden dowels here. I tried so hard to do what they did and have dowel inserts that screwed into the wood. I made these and I put threads in them, and I was supposed to have thread inserts into the wood and you could screw them in. But these thread inserts kept backing out and it was just a pain in the arse. So I decided, you know what? It works just the same to just kind of wedge them in there, you know, like I can take it out and just wedge it in there and it holds it up pretty good, because we do sleep with our heads at the bottom, not up here. So to fold this whole thing up, you take this and you fold once just like this, and you grab it and you pull it back just like that, and it's completely folded up. And check this out. Let's get all of these out of the way here, and then you can just fold the seats up like nothing even happened. You know what I mean? And then you can put this back in, you know, and I still have pretty good visibility out the rear window. It doesn't really, even though it looks like it takes up a lot of visibility, it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, it's perfect. I don't have to remove any of my camping setup to have a normal vehicle with 5 seats for 5 people. But now, let's go over some of the gear that I bought for this truck. First thing I'm going to show you that is key for me is these are bug nets, and these bug nets go over your window like so, you know, and I bought the bigger ones. I don't know why. I probably should have bought a smaller size. They allow you to roll your window down and get airflow while you're camping and not have bugs come in your truck. I mean, like, that's awesome. Another little essential piece of gear that I got is, because me and Caden are weenies and we have to sleep with a fan, I bought a little fan. And I'm telling you, dude, this fan is crazy. It was pretty cheap. I'll have links to like all this stuff in the description. I got it on Amazon, pretty cheap. This thing has an amazing battery. It has a light with multiple modes on it. I mean, that's cool. It has multiple modes with the fan. That's the highest setting. The box said that you can have the lights and the fan on the max setting for 8 hours, which is crazy. Me and Caden went camping with this thing last time, and we had it on the second to highest fan setting, and it lasted all night. And then like a few days later, my power went out at my house, and I used this, and it lasted all night again without charging it. So that's awesome. This thing comes in clutch. I bought a little, what is this thing? A freaking Goal Zero Yeti 200X. This is a 200 watt power system. It's just good for, you know, if I need to charge my cameras or anything else. Another essential piece of gear is lights. If you're in there, you don't want to use your interior lights because it'll run your battery dead. So I bought this thing. It's actually really good. It's water resistant, not waterproof. It's got multiple modes on it, multiple colors, and different brightnesses on the lights. It's got a little carabiner hook, so you can hook it. Me and Caden hook it in here like this. That, and it lights up the whole interior. Cool thing is if I'm outside cooking or something, I can magnetically hook it. It has a little magnet on the bottom. I can just stick it to my car. Other things that I have in here, I mean, just camping stuff really, or like adventure stuff. Tarp, dry bags, pillow, hammock, and sleeping pad that has a hole in it.
What's up, guys? Check it out. All right. So you can actually flip it up, right, and make it into like a pillow. Of course, it's not as long if you do that, so your feet
Hang off.
hang off the edge, but it's nice. And we got this view right now.
Oh yeah. Sunset view. Ah, you know. Yes. Just chilling, dog. We're just chilling. Yeah. I'm kind of on the side. This is sketchy. So I guess this is a another thing you can do, I guess. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Me and Caden are just gonna sit here, watch the sunset, and then head home. If you guys enjoy my videos, then watch some more. That helps my channel out a lot when you watch more of my content. And also, if you're new here and you want to see us adventure around and do some overland camping, and if you're into hiking and stuff, then click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. So anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna close it out here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next adventure.
Peace out.
And live cosmic.